So it's groom time. Let's hand over some money to the winning groom of Caesar's Ransom. And he's got some precious goods to look after because it's a half-brother to an Equus champion in the form of Captain's Ransom. This is Sibongile Maswaze. Congratulations to Sibongile. He is the winning groom of Caesar's Ransom and picks up the 1,000 Rand prize courtesy of Hollywood Bets and Racecourse. I'm busy watching Richard in the corner of my eye dash over to MJ Bielefeld. Let's get some feedback from them.
Ja, Ellie, Richard Free. Het nou net hier omgeloop. Richard, Caesar's Ransom, baie mooi perd en hy het goed gewen.
Ja, nee, kyk hierso. Ken die familie baie goed van Captain's Ransom af en goed soos dit, maar geluk me vir oom Piet en sy stal. Baie lekker perd. Ek het hom voorheen gery, was 'n colt geweest en hy was bietjie oral geweest en nou hoe hy alles gedoen het in die reis was fantasties. Hy het uitgespring. Hy was 4 getrek en hy kan letterlik net al wees. Heel ontspannend en net so ver dat ons in die strijd aangekom het, hy regtig die toon begin vat en dit baie maklik gemaak vir my. Ek het baie free movement en daai storie gehad en toe ek die knoppie druk so deur die 200 is dit heel wat reis verby en hy was fit warm, het mooi gelyk, het mooi afgegaan en het baie mooi teruggekom. So geluk vir Piet Steyn en sy stal en sy laaitie, geluk en vir die eienaars baie dankie en my sponsors by Richmond.
Ja, Richard, nie die sterkste veld nie, maar hy het goed gewen, so hy kan ook weer wen.
Kyk hierso, is nie wat in die veld is hoe jy hulle gebreek het, so hy is baie nice.
Dankie Richard, geluk. It's Richard Free, just saying Caesar's Ransom really travelled well. Gelding's done him good and he really won a very nice race here. And might not have been the strongest field, but as he says, it's not who he beat, it's how he's done it. Well done to everyone concerned.
Thanks so much, MJ. Well done to Richard. Pete Steyn's about to walk right in front of the camera. Very well done to all of them. Caesar's Ransom wins. Very well bred. Well done, Albert. Gelding worked to charm.
Yeah, thank you very much, Eddie. The last run he sort of, cut into himself a bit first run after Gelding, and I think that affected him a bit. We had a bit of a worry with the going today. We didn't think he was going to enjoy the going. We thought he'd like him going more on top, but he clearly did, and just very happy. Just to everyone, all the partners, to Mr. Gujadar, to Mr. Costa, to Mr. Nair, to Mr. Amir at Alcal Breeders, to Stefan, to Hein, and to Chris at Ten Einde Stud, and also obviously very well bred by Cloverflay Stud.
You didn't need the card to go through all those owners. Well done, Albert. This win might give him a little bit more confidence, huh?
Yeah, look, he's always been, a nice horse. He's had his things, his temperament issues and stuff, but he's relaxed now, obviously, after the Gelding. And after that win, I think it was nice and impressive, and there's more to work with.
Hayes Tuchan, well done.
There we go. Cheers. Thank you very much.
Well done to Albert. Well done to all the connections of Caesar's Ransom winning in good style today.